Don't know what day it is. Still getting over man flu, but I'm getting there. Okay, just fancied coming down to the unit. Just to see what I've got with the pickup. So it's just going to be a bit of an update. I just cleaned up the floor a little bit. So I'm attempting to paint the floor. So I'm going to just paint the floor, stop a bit of the dust going. So basically I'm going to paint this end first, move everything back down this end, and paint the other end. That's the plan anyway. Need to try and sort out some shelves maybe and stuff like that, yeah. But and I've got a load of shit to still just get rid of. I don't need it. So anyway, yeah. So a couple of panels arrived. Let me just show you them. So no tripod, I'm afraid. So we picked up new top scuttle. So yeah, new scuttle panel. I expect the centre was savable actually. I expect you could have got away with just two ends, but because I've completely lost that curve and everything, I think that will help me try and get a bit of the alignment back. And again, bought a complete top dash rail as well, because again these corners completely gone. This person's chopped this side away already, so again I could maybe repair the ends, but if we're getting rid of that, we can get back to the top of the bulkhead, check that out, and go from there. So I've shown you the inner wings already. Still waiting for the load bed to turn up. That's a few weeks off. Not that we actually desperately need it at the moment, because I've still got to try and get this thing all on a jig yet, which is my whole plan. But my plan's not moving very fast, as always. And yeah, so we get there. Yeah, so let's get on and try and paint some of the floor. We're slowly painting some of the floor. There's my big tub of paint, Amazon, 30 quid delivered. Can't go wrong, can you? Well, you can go wrong quite wrong, can't you? I'm going with the pour it on the floor technique and just flushing it in. Seems to be working okay. Get a few stones in my £1 Wilco's roller. But anyway, hopefully it'll stop some of the dust anyway. I should have hoovered around as well, but I just can't be bothered, you know me. But this is the 1275 engine. I'm hoping it's a 1275 engine. Pretty sure it is. It doesn't have the valve caps on the back, on the covers, which the later the 1275s don't. And yeah, thermostat, things like that, so it should all be good. So what I'm thinking of doing is taking this up to my dad's, and that might go in the 67. That's up at my dad's. All nice green, twin carbs on it. That's what I'm thinking anyway. So yeah, I don't know what anyone thinks of it. I don't spot any weird things. It's a blue colour, could be standard, could be not. Yeah, let me know what you think of it. See if you spot anything on there that's a bit weird. Never seen that before. It's like maybe an adjustable thermostat, maybe. But yeah, cylinder head numbers 12G9 maybe. You can see that better maybe and pause it. Some other numbers there. Don't really know. Can't see that, sorry, a bit dark. But yeah, obviously don't have the clutch down the inside, so I'll give it to my dad. I think he can either just whack a carb on it, turn it over, see if it starts, or strip it down and start again. So yeah, the later type gearbox. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. 1275. Maybe put a reborn on it if it's a bit smoky. Twin carbs, twin SUs in the old 67. I think that would look quite smart. We're going for like a little Cooper lookalike, as everybody does. So yeah, all right, let's get a bit more floor paint down, and we'll be done for the day here. Okay, I painted that. I painted the 1275 engine in. Can't even get to that now. So yeah, we've whacked a load of paint down. I expect you could do with another coat because it's so dusty. Yeah, as always, should have hoovered it, but that's me. So yeah, that's that done. Yeah, So anyone can tell me how this joins to the inner panels? Is there another little separate tab bracket that goes on? Because this dash rail seems short, but my gut feeling is there's mostly some little panels that just go on here, which, you know, it then sort of spot welds to or something. Otherwise I'll just make something up anyway, because, you know, it's a heritage panel. It shouldn't be short for any reason. So yeah, all good. So still thinking about the roof. What I might do is just get a saloon roof and cut this section out over here, and maybe, yeah, I don't know, we'll see, and just do our best with that. As I said, roof can be done as a separate section. Okay, it's a big messy job if you decorate the whole car and everything, but it can quite easily be done as a separate section. So yeah, next thing, once we painted the floor, we need to get ourselves get the jig in, make a jig to mount the front and rear subframes. We can then bolt them and attach them to the floor, because it does have the subframe points there. That will then align the floor. We can then align the shell onto that. Obviously then the load bed can go on. I think, not too sure if we'll replace the arches or not yet. We'll see, they're quite watted, but for now I think what we need to do is just clean up all the old welds and the old floor that was on them, so the new floor is ready to be dropped in. There's really not much more to be done. But yeah, we've got a bit more of the bottom edge here. Obviously this whole rear panel's going because we've got a spare one. So, which is good and bad, but you know, it's life. And as I said, yeah, work out what we're doing with rear quarters, but until we get it all on the jig, we don't know what's misaligned. We can take some measurements, square it all up, hopefully, and do our best. Anyway, short and sweet update. Hope you enjoyed the motor racing yesterday. It's quite good fun. Shame about the rain, but yeah, some of those minis fly. They really do. So yeah, all good. Till next time, guys. Sorry about that.